So, this is kind of funny, but when I first started investing, simple investing felt wrong to me. Not confusing, not boring, wrong. When people would say things like keep it simple or don't overthink it, my first thought was okay, but am I doing enough? Because money feels serious. So I assume investing was supposed to feel serious too. And serious usually looks complicated. I honestly thought this can't be it. Like, there has to be more I'm supposed to be doing. Because when you look around, investing looks intense. Charts everywhere, numbers moving nonstop, people checking their accounts like it's a job. So when someone says, just keep it simple, your brain is like, that sounds nice, but also kind of irresponsible. What really threw me off was that simple didn't feel productive. There was nothing to check, nothing to fix, nothing that made me feel in control. It felt like I wasn't trying hard enough. And no one really talks about that part. Simple investing asks you to trust the process, but you feel, well, it asks you to trust the process before you feel confident. And that's uncomfortable, especially if you're the kind of person like me who likes to feel prepared. I used to think that investing had to feel stressful or I wasn't taking it seriously. Like, if I wasn't a little anxious, I must be messing something up. But over time, I noticed that the more complicated I made things, the more anxious I felt. And the simpler I kept things, the calmer I felt. That's when it clicked. Simple isn't lazy, it's intentional. It cuts out a lot of the noise, the second guessing, the constant checking, the pressure to get things perfect. And that's me. I like to get things perfect and have everything, all the T's crossed and the I's dotted before I even do anything. And if you're a beginner, that matters even more. Don't try to be perfect because when you're new, you already doubt yourself. And complexity just makes it even worse. I think simple investing feels wrong at first, but when you're taught, and that's because we're taught that when things are hard, it equals smart. So if it feels easy, we assume that it must be risky. But comfort doesn't come first. It comes after you stick with it for a while. So, you know, if simple investing feels awkward right now, it doesn't mean that it's wrong. It just means that you're getting used to it. And if investing terms feel confusing to you, I made a beginner mini guide that breaks things down and it's in normal language. So that is linked below. That's no pressure, just for help, just to help you. I am on my journey to leave my job 9 to 5 and 5 years through investing. I know there'll be ups and downs and changes, but just come along with the come along my journey with me, and also start your own journey. You might be new to investing, or you might be coming back to investing after a while. Just let's do this together, and let's make some progress. So please, in the comments, just leave me a, just say I'm in. If you want to, you can say I'm on my journey to XYZ, but you don't have to. No details if you don't want to. So, like I said, comment, say I'm in, or you can say I'm on my journey to leave my 9 to 5 also, or I'm on my journey to retire in 5 years, 10 years, 15 years, whatever it is. So like this video, comment, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Talk to you soon. Bye.